Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by positioning your hands at chest level, relaxed and visible. Why this matters: consistent placement makes each number readable. Now sign 1-5 by extending the corresponding fingers. Keep each finger straight and slightly separated so shapes are clear. Once done, hold each number for a beat to let the viewer register it, then return to neutral. Make sure your palms face the correct direction for your sign language variant, because palm orientation changes meaning. Next, you learn 6-19 and the tens. Begin with 6-9 using the conventional finger/thumb contacts or unique shapes your language requires. These rely on small, precise contacts, so practice slowly. For 10, use the thumb gesture or a brief fist flick as appropriate. For 11-19, combine a base number sign with a short repeated movement or slight hand shift to indicate the teen series. Once comfortable, speed up gradually while keeping each configuration crisp. To finish, you combine place value signs for hundreds and thousands. Sign the unit, then add the 100/1,000 marker, or use positional systems where you shift hands to indicate tens versus ones. Use mouthing and rhythmic pacing to separate groups. This helps the listener parse long strings of digits. If a sequence gets confusing, slow down and isolate the problematic digit, then repeat it clearly. One key troubleshooting tip: record yourself and watch the playback to spot orientation or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.